Let's dive into something really important today, figuring out your skin type. It's a game changer for your skincare routine. Understanding your skin type is super important, you know? It's like having the key to your skincare kingdom. When you know your skin type, you can choose the right products that truly work for you, which means no more wasting money on things that just don't cut it. Plus, it helps keep your skin looking happy, glowing, and oh so healthy. Seriously, knowing your skin is the first step to that fresh, radiant look we all crave. We'll break it down into simple steps, give you clear examples, and even share some tips you can start using right away to get that glow going. By the end of this video, you'll totally be able to identify your skin type and understand what your skin absolutely loves. Isn't that exciting? So, grab a mirror, make sure your face is clean, and let's dive right in. This is where the fun begins. First things first, let's prep your skin. Wash your face gently with a mild cleanser, nothing too harsh, okay? We're not scrubbing away at a dirty floor here. The goal is to see your natural skin without any interference from products or makeup. It's all about getting a clear picture of what's really going on with your skin. Once you've washed your face, pat it dry with a clean towel. Remember, no moisturizer, serum, or any treatment after washing. We want to keep it as natural as possible for this test. Now, here's the most crucial part. Wait for about 1 hour. Yep, just chill for a bit. This is called the bare face test, and it's the key to understanding your skin in its natural state. During this hour, your skin will either start producing oils, feel tight, or remain balanced. Those subtle clues are like little messages from your skin, telling you exactly what type you have. After the hour is up, let's observe together. Grab that mirror again and take a good look. If your skin looks shiny all over, like you just applied oil, and your pores appear larger than usual, congratulations. That's a sign of oily skin. Oily skin is super common, and it usually means your sebaceous glands are working overtime, producing more oil than necessary. While this might sound like a hassle, there's a silver lining. Oily skin tends to age slower. Can you believe that? So, what's the key here? Using lightweight, non-comedogenic products is your best bet. These products control shine without stripping away moisture. Think gel cleansers and oil-free moisturizers. They'll help keep that shine in check while ensuring your skin stays happy and hydrated. Now, if your skin feels tight, rough, or flaky, especially on the cheeks, that's a telltale sign of dry skin. Dry skin lacks those natural oils we all need, so it craves hydrating and nourishing products. You want to prevent irritation, fine lines, and that dreaded dullness, right? Look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and gentle oils. They work wonders to restore moisture and keep your skin looking fresh. Next up, if your T-zone, that's your forehead, nose, and chin, looks shiny but your cheeks feel normal or dry, then you're rocking combination skin. This is one of the most common skin types out there. It often requires a little bit of a balancing act with different treatments for different areas. You might want to use gel cleansers for that oily T-zone and cream-based moisturizers for those drier cheeks. It's all about finding what works best for each part of your face. If your skin feels balanced, smooth, soft, and super comfy all over, give yourself a high five. You've got normal skin. It's like the unicorn of skin type strong. With hardly any breakouts and a nice, even texture, lucky you. The best routine. Just keep it simple, gentle cleansing, hydration, and sunscreen. Seriously. That's all you need to keep your skin looking amazing. Finally, if your skin easily gets red, stings, burns, or reacts to new products, that's a sign of sensitive skin. Sensitive skin needs some extra love and care. Stick to gentle, fragrance-free, minimal ingredient products. You definitely want to avoid harsh exfoliants, strong actives, and hot water. They can wreak havoc on your skin. For an extra check, you can do a simple blotting paper test. Take a clean sheet of blotting paper and gently press it on different areas of your face, forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. If the paper picks up a lot of oil from everywhere, your skin is oily. If there's barely any oil, you're likely dry. If oil appears only on the T-zone, your combination. Minimal oil everywhere. You've got normal skin. And if your skin shows redness or irritation when you touch it, it's likely sensitive. This method is a straightforward visual cue to reinforce what you observed during that 1 hour wait. Let's dive a little deeper and understand the traits of each skin type. Oily skin is usually shiny and thick, with larger, more visible pores. It can be prone to blackheads and acne. But the good news is it ages slower thanks to those natural oils. Dry skin, on the other hand, often feels tight and sometimes itchy. You might notice flaky or rough patches, and while it has smaller pores, it can have a dull appearance and needs constant hydration to stay happy. Combination skin has that classic oily T-zone and normal or dry cheeks. It needs a balance of lightweight and richer products, and breakouts often pop up in that oily T-zone. Normal skin is balanced, with a smooth texture and minimal blemishes. It can maintain a great glow with a simple routine, and you're definitely in the lucky category. Sensitive skin is easily irritated, red, or stinging. It reacts to strong ingredients or extreme weather, so it needs gentle, hypoallergenic products to keep it calm and happy. Understanding these traits helps you select cleansers, serums, moisturizers, sunscreens, and even makeup products that actually work for you. It's the first step towards skincare confidence. Now that you know your skin type, here are some quick product tips. For oily skin, look for gel cleansers, lightweight moisturizers, and mattifying sunscreens. Avoid heavy oils. They can just add to the shine. For dry skin, creamy cleansers, rich moisturizers, and hydrating serums are your best friends. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid and squalane are amazing for locking in moisture. With combination skin, take a targeted approach. Use a gel-based product in the T-zone and a cream-based one on the cheeks. Multi-masking can also be a game changer for this skin type, letting you cater to different areas of your face. For normal skin, a simple, consistent routine is all you need. Gentle cleanser, moisturizer, SPF, and maybe an occasional serum for fun. You're in a great spot. And for sensitive skin, stick to fragrance-free products with minimal ingredients. Always patch test everything before diving in. Gentle hydrating creams and calming ingredients like aloe vera or panthenol are ideal for keeping your skin feeling good. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? Oily skin is shiny all over. Dry skin feels tight and flaky. Combination skin has that oily T-zone with normal or dry cheeks. Normal skin is balanced and comfortable. And sensitive skin is reactive and easily irritated. Remember these tips. Never skip the 1 hour bare face test. It's crucial for understanding how your skin behaves. Observe your skin regularly, as it can change with seasons, diet, stress, and age. Always patch test new products to avoid unwanted reactions. And don't be afraid to adjust your routine if your skin starts behaving differently. It's all about listening to what your skin is telling you. Knowing your skin type saves you time, money, and frustration, and it's the first step toward glowing, healthy skin. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to identify your skin type, and you're ready to build a personalized skincare routine that works just for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Youthify Hub so you can keep learning with us. Turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our upcoming skincare tutorials, product guides, and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where we dive into daily skincare routines for each skin type. Stay glowing and stay confident.